What's up viewers? What's up keepers? It's me, Chi. Welcome back sa channel ko. Tara, samahan nyo ako sa ikatlong vlog ko dito sa Indonesia. Pero bago ang lahat, papasukin natin ang intro. Intro? Pasok! So ayun guys, nandito ako ngayon sa Royal Red. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang tawag nila dito, pero mukha siyang warehouse. Yun din ang sabi ni Boss Mike, Sir Hans. Hindi nila alam kung anong tawag dito, basta tungkol pa rin to sa hobby natin. So tara, libot ko kayo. So ayun guys, dito yung warehouse ng mga stands. Ginagamit nila sa competition, around 250 tanks. They will use this tank, yes?
Yes, it will be in October for second Indo Dragon.
Oh, second Indo Dragon.
Yeah, Indo Dragon.
How many tanks is this?
The last competition was astonishing 230.
Whoa.
The next target may be, I don't know, if maybe Sir Henry will consider 250 or 300.
Wow, 300 tanks.
Hopefully.
Sa Pilipinas, 60, daming-dami na ako. Pero dito, 300. Grabe, no? So, ayan guys, ito na yung mga aquarium nila. Ayan. Stands. So, tara, ikot ko kayo. Huwag na sa mukha ko. Pond. Pond for catfish.
I think to feed the baby,
Oh.
because they have so many babies. Now they breed the catfish and give to the babies.
Hmm.
You can see what I don't think you will catch in the camera though.
Ano? More on catfish. No arwana here.
No.
No arwana here. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Papasok na raw tayo sa arwana. Arwana? I don't know. Pond?
The mud pond.
Mud pond. Oh. So yun guys, makakapagpakita pala ako sa inyo ng mga mud pond dito. This is Royal Indo? Royal Red. Royal Red. Okay. So dito mga mud pond, hindi lang natin makita, medyo madilim na. So yun oh. Oh, albino silver. Yan, mud pond for albino silver guys. Meron dito mga ibang arwana. So check muna natin lahat ng mga mud pond nila. Ang galing guys, oh, nakasako lang. Tapos yun nga, hinukay nila. Ayan, ang dami oh. Galing. So sana makakita pa tayo ng ibang ganitong klase mga mud pond. Sana may mga bisita pa. May first day ko pa lang naman ngayon dito. Sana bukas marami pa kaming mapuntahan. Dito mukhang wala pang laman. Ito. Ayan guys. So ayan, warehouse lang to. Coco lumber. Tapos may mga arwana. Tapos aquariums. So ayun guys, pasok tayo dito sa room. Siguro nandito na yung mga arwana nila. Ayun na nga. Ito. So medyo konti pero para sa akin marami na rin.
Yes, different timing style.
Oh. Look at the trophies. This is Henry Leong, right?
Yeah.
This one? Okay. So many trophies. Lalaki ah. Malalaki yung mga arwana dito guys. Ito yung filtration nila. Ang gamit nila drop mat and bio balls. Puro ganon. Tapos mukhang mababa lang yung flow rate na ginagamit nila. Ano, mahina lang yung flow rate. Tapos may UV. Under sump with UV. I observed the flow rate, not that strong.
Yeah, because it's actually Arwana is not that complicated. But
Very
you
hard
should
to
ask
fish.
the owner later.
Mm.
Yeah, you should ask how they groom in here.
There's a different techniques.
Yeah, different techniques. Very big.
Very
Maybe
big.
the same size as the one in front, in the front room. 63, 64.
How old is
This fish is much older, I think, from the fake.
Why this one is as a net?
Oh, let the owner this
Oh. The color blue is the tinik.
no, that's the HPL LED.
Okay. HPLL.
Yeah, HPL LED.
HPL LED. Parang masisira yung camera natin guys dun sa blue. Huwag na natin masyadong kunan. Ito. Pansin ko lahat sila meron na ito, no? Wave maker nila. Na mas mataas ang wattage. Kasi pwede naman wave maker eh. They're playing. Playing with the wave. Isa sa mga napansin ko guys, karamihan sa mga arwana dito sa Indonesia, mayroong isang tankmate. Ang isa sa alam kong dahilan ba't naglalagay sila ng tankmate is para dun sa mga nagte-tailbite. Ngayon, nakakaiwas siya sa tailbite. Pero yung ibang dahilan, hindi ko alam. Ayun. Oh. Baby arwana. Uy, ito. So guys, ang masasabi ko lang dito sa Indonesia, sobrang daming super red. You know, kung mapapansin nyo, tingnan nyo tong aquarium na to. Ang daming baby arwana. Baby talaga eh, no? So yun yung tawag kasi ng mga newbie, baby arwana. So sa dami nila, parang normalan na lang talaga yung arwana dito eh, no? Parang magsasawa ka sa sobrang dami. Uy, may nakita ako dun. Mamaya punta natin. Pero pa guys, ang ganda rin na ito. Ayun, buti na lang binuksan. Thank you, thank you. May ilaw yung kabila. Lights, there. Here. Can you open the light? Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh. Ayan guys, mapapakita ko na sa inyo. Binuksan. Is this a super red arwana? Super red arwana. Yes, thank you, thank you. What's your name? Amdi. Okay guys, eto. Ayan, mga super red arwana raw. Dami. Ayan. So sa mga ganito, maliit pa masyado, hindi nagre-release ng super red arwana sa atin na ganitong size. So ginugrow out pa nila yan dito bago dalhin sa Pilipinas. Ito medyo mas malaki doon. Ayan. Tapos ito, dito tayo sa baba. Ito mga super red din. Ang ganda pala nun dito. This one, ang laki oh. Maraming mga malalaking arwana dito kay Royal Red Indo. Ito, IT. IT nga ba? Hindi ako sure ah. So ito, albino. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng albino to, medyo itanong na lang natin. Hans. Do you know what type of albino is here? Crossback albino. Albino crossback guys. Oh. So beautiful. No drop eye.
I think we'll do surgery already.
Oh, okay. Ganda. Ang ganda guys. Hi. I'm Owen. Donald. From, you know me?
Because we make a friend on Facebook.
Owen Arrow Keeper.
This one, me.
Ah, okay.
Owen, right?
Yes.
Owen.
No?
Other people.
This one. Yeah, that's me. I have a sticker here from
Okay.
Philippines.
So many. No.
You can give others. Others. If they want.
Sir Don, your secrets here, your techniques on
No
grooming.
secret. No secret. My Shifu. My Krat.
Mike Red. Okay. What's your technique here on grooming? Advice to the Filipino keepers.
Actually, it's almost the same like my Krat doing. It's just like water change every day.
Water
Like
change every day.
25 or 30%.
25 to 30% every day.
Yeah, just doing tanning. See if the condition of the fish first. If it's good for tanning, no indicator for stress or something.
Okay.
Just doing it all for 24 hours. But if they still want to like maybe 2 hours, start from 2 hours first.
Okay.
After that,
Increase.
increase to 6 hours, 12 hours.
Up
or
to
something.
maximum what? 24?
24 hours.
Okay.
The point is, as long as the fish still could eat or something,
Okay.
just do it for 24 hours.
How about the feeding routine?
We
To make
use,
the fish that big.
we use small frog, small frog, and shrimp.
Shrimp. Frog and shrimp.
Frozen, all frozen.
Frozen.
Frozen food.
Even the frog?
Even the frog here.
Frozen frog.
Frozen
Okay. Thank you for that. Thank you.
Good question. Let me hear the answer.
For another 10-15 years.
Oh, times 2?
Not bad, right?
What is the oldest?
How big is the tank? How big is this tank? The size of this tank?
Around
424? 4 feet and 24? CM? 120? 150?
140.
140?
by
Wide widthnya lebarnya.
70.
Okay.
70 cm.
Guys, itong arwana na to is 15 years old na raw. 15 years old, grabe no?
Also when 28.
28 inches. 28 inches ang width. Height, mukhang 2 feet lang to. Pero guys, ito yung na-observe ko, 15 years old, pero yung mukha niya, pre, ang gwapong 15 years old na ito. Yan ang kinis. Oh. Grabe. Nakaka-inspire to.
Okay, Arnold, can you share what we are talking now regarding the secrets of water change?
The secret of water change actually, like back then we talked to Don about right. We talked to Don. We talked to Don about
Since this is
yes. So maybe we call him here. Okay, Don. Sir Don, come here, Sir Don. So a lot of people in the Philippines asking that whether you should feed a fish that big every single day. You should, right?
Here?
Yeah.
No.
Oh no.
don't feed
But how many? How many? But because the
often?
2 days.
Every 2 days.
Every 2 days.
Every 2 days.
Every 2 days. But the water changes every day. Yeah.
Go feed tomorrow.
Every 2 days.
Yeah. Because there are a lot of because I think there are a lot of rumors.
Yes.
There are a lot of rumors in the old ways of keeping arowanas. They feed it like once a week.
Yes.
Yes. I think.
That's my routine. 2 to 3 times a week only.
Oh, okay, but actually, it's okay if you want to feed every day also, even with old fishes. But what you should take care is your water.
Water parami.
The bigger the fish, the more sensitive they will be. Above like 10 years old. That's why it's very good to do regular water changes daily, just to make sure that their metabolism works correctly.
Question for Don. I observed the fish is very smooth. The face.
Looking young.
Looking young, but 15 years old. What's the secret?
The secret, do the water change. Do the water change.
Do the water change. That's it.
Like
Yeah.
even their filtration is very simple.
Yes. The filtration is just
Jump mats,
and
bioball,
UV.
UV and Wopet, that's it. Low flow rate. Most of the fishes here, you can see there are a lot of aerators. It would help the dissolved oxygen level in the tank.
But it will help him
Okay, thank you, thank you.
higher water level.
Another learning.
Yo, game. Let's dive. No, let's do it.
Dive.
Dive. Okay.
See?
This is the SRs. What size is that?
I think it's about 24.
24 cm?
25.
Oh, jumping.
Jumping dragons. This one is 30.
A bigger one.
Bigger one.
Okay. Ako na humawak ng flashlight. There. Wow, much better. Thank you. Okay, for the vlog.
This is to test the eyes of the OBS.
They are jumping.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Which one do you want to go?
Yeah, this one. It's okay. Own breed?
Own breed
Own breed.
from Royal Red.
Royal Red. Okay, all goods. Thank you. So ayun guys, meron tayong mga konting interview, napalaban tayo sa English. Pasensya na dun sa mga mali-mali kong English dahil hindi naman ako magaling sa English, kaya nga hindi ako mahiling mag-vlog ng English, di ba? Haha, alam niyo naman yun. So ayun guys, sana may mga natutunan kayo dito sa mga ginawa kong content. Yung mga interview natin sa owner, kila Sir Don, Royal Red, tapos kay Arnold, ang dami nating natutunan kay Arnold. Ang sarap ng mga ganitong klaseng content kasi hindi lang ako yung natututo, pati kayong mga viewers ko natututo. Dagdag kaalaman sa atin sa mga Pilipinong hobbyist. Grabe, sobrang ganda ng experience ko dito sa Indonesia. Day 1 pa lang to ha. Ito pa nga rin yung suot ko eh. Oh. Kanina pa ako gising. Actually, magsa 7 PM na yata dito. Gising na ako ng 3 AM. Okay, di pa ako natutulog pero sobrang energetic pa dahil sa mga nakikita ko. Parang dinadagdagan ng gasolina yung katawan ko pagka meron akong bago nakikitang malulupit na arwana. So ayun guys, abang-abang lang sa mga next upload ko. Pangatlo, day 1 pa lang. Pangatlong vlog ko, day 1 pa lang. Kaya sigurado, bukas, solid na naman ang mga content natin. So ayun, maraming salamat sa mga nanood. Again, kung gusto niyo mga ganitong klaseng content, pwede kayo mag-subscribe, i-share, i-like ang mga video ko. Okay, maraming salamat ulit. Maraming salamat sa Royal Red. Siyempre, maraming salamat. Shoutout sa inyo lahat. Bye-bye!